the JBL SB400. You have to use a card between here, and you will open it here. There's a small tap sitting in here. Then you basically just lift it like this, all the way down and off. On the inside here you have this rubber that you have to pull up. Behind those are Phillips screws. You have Phillips screws on the sides here, all the way down. Take those out, and then you pray the whole assembly up, like so. And of course you have all the cabling that you need to loosen. That's your quick tutorial to how to disassemble it. Hope it helps.